Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to report a server in Discord. If you come across a server that violates community guidelines or contains inappropriate content, we will guide you step by step on how to report it properly. Now, let's get started. On your server channel dashboard, copy the ID of that channel. You can do this by right-clicking the channel. The option will appear under the Leave Server panel. If you don't see it, we can open the Web Developer Tools. Since we already have the ID, we can move on. If you need help finding it, just search for how to find a Discord channel ID, or go to the URL. The number next to channel is the channel ID. Once you have the ID, go ahead and copy the link. Then, open a new tab and search for Discord Submit Report. Click on the first option that appears. You will need to complete a quick verification. After that, select the type of report you want to submit. The options include help and support, refunds, cancellations, payments, and sanctions. Since we are reporting a server, let's choose help and support. Once you are there, type in the type of question that best fits your situation. We will type something like technical support. Next, describe what the issue is about. Then add a subject to the report and paste the channel ID. If you need to find the ID again, you can check it here as well. Then paste it into the field. Now, choose what we would like to report based on your description. If the issue does not fit the category, you can fill out the request form. Once everything is filled in, click Submit. That's it. We have successfully learned how to report a server on Discord. Reporting helps keep the platform safe and respectful for everyone.